Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is the average of 5 numbers is 20. The average of 3 numbers is 18. What is the average of other 2 numbers? Here we have given average of 5 numbers is 20. That is, suppose these numbers are a plus b plus c plus d plus e. As average of these 5 numbers is 20, so we can write this as the sum divided by 5 into 20, which implies that sum will be a plus b plus c plus d plus e is 20 into 5. Hence, sum of 5 numbers will be 5 into 20, that is 100. Similarly, we have given average of 3 numbers is 18. So, sum of 3 numbers will be 3 into 18, that is 54. Now here we have to find the average of 2 numbers. So from this, firstly we can find the sum of 2 numbers as sum of 2 numbers will be sum of 5 numbers, that is 100, minus sum of 3 numbers, that is 54. So 100 minus 54 will be 46. So from this we can find the average of 2 numbers. So average of 2 numbers can be found by sum of 2 numbers, that is 46, divided by total numbers, that is 2. So 46 by 2 will be 23. Hence, average of 2 numbers is 23. Hence our answer is 23, which is option B.